Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. So I recently watched a video by Sadie Aldis where she basically lived a day as if she was in her Pinterest boards, and I absolutely loved that idea, so I wanted to recreate that video. I'm basically going to live as if I'm in my Pinterest board. I use Pinterest as a mood board a lot of the time. I think a lot of people do that. It is kind of the point of Pinterest, so it would make sense that a lot of people use it as a mood board. So I thought I would go ahead, pick out an outfit, do my makeup and do some other activities based on what I've pinned. And I really hope you enjoy this video. If you generally enjoy content like this, you enjoy arty and lifestyle type of videos, then why not subscribe and click the notifications bell to be notified when I next upload. This is my fashion board on Pinterest. I've got quite a few outfits in here that I like. So I originally wanted to do this outfit, but I have nothing, and I mean nothing, that looks anything like that. I don't have this style of denim shorts, and I do have a shirt, but it doesn't look anything like that, or like the aesthetic is like way off. Something more realistic and more likely for me to actually do is this outfit. I've got biker shorts and a top that I can wear underneath. I've got a shirt as well that I can tie like that. It's not plain white, but we can work with it. I'm basically going to put on this shirt instead of a plain white one with some biker shorts and a vest top. I think for my hair I'm also going to go for like a similar like bun style.
She my pineapple, yeah. She's sour, she's so sweet. Yeah. She got an attitude, I call her pineapple, yeah. She's sweet with sour moods, I need another double. She got an attitude, I call her pineapple, yeah. She's sweet with sour moods, I guess she's all I'm after. My little girl got a sour side, but you know I'm a sucker for some sweetness. Every weekend pulls you and she knows your weakness. I tell her she's my princess, she just wants to be queen. I call her pineapple and she says, what do you mean? She got an attitude, I call her pineapple, yeah. She's sweet with sour moods, I need another double. She got an attitude, I call her pineapple, yeah. She's sweet with sour moods, I guess she's all I'm after. Yeah, take a slice and look inside. You see the sweet, the nice, the harmless vice, the cold as ice. I need my pineapple consistently. I eat religiously, I need my sweetness instantly. And every time that she's around, she's sweet, I'm signing this, she's sour. Just wait an hour, my little flower. And every time that she's around, she's sweet, I'm signing this, she's sour. Just wait an hour, my little flower. She might be everything I need, but she's so sour, yeah. But she's so sour. If only she was just as sweet, but she's too sour, yeah. Yeah, she's too sour. She got an attitude, I call her pineapple, yeah. She's sweet with sour moods, I need another double. She got an attitude, I call her pineapple, yeah. She's sweet with sour moods, I guess she's all I'm after. She got an attitude, I call her pineapple, yeah. She's sweet with sour moods, I need another double. She got an attitude, I call her pineapple, yeah. She's sweet with sour moods, I guess she's all I'm after. She wasn't living in summer, not easy, easy, easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me.
So on my Pinterest I have quite a few artsy boards. I have a journaling board with some journaling inspiration. I have a DIY board, an art board. Just, you get the gist. I just have a lot of arty pins because that's what I like. Surprise, surprise. I thought I would take the opportunity to do something creative in this video. I think I'm going to do some art journaling. I stupidly left my art journal in England when I came to Greece like 6 months ago, and I've regretted that decision since like literally day one. So before I left Greece to go to England for university, I was actually very into lettering, calligraphy. I used to find random quotes on Pinterest and then I used to write them out nicely and do some sort of art related to it. Well, I say art, I mean it very loosely. But I still have that book, so I thought what I could do is I could do some art journaling in that book, and I could also pick a quote from my quotes board, which I actually really need to clean out because I've got a lot of random pins in that board, a lot of random quotes that I kind of want to clear out.
It's not easy, easy, easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me, need me. Doesn't mean it's summer. Where have you gone? No one ever loved you. I love to sing your song.
That wraps it up for today's video. I really enjoyed filming, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, then why not give this video a thumbs up, and as I said before, why not subscribe and click the notifications bell to be notified when I next upload. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will hopefully see you in my next video on Thursday. Bye!
I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there.